Hello and welcome to this VitalVerse presentation on castor oil. Today we're going to delve into the many incredible benefits this natural remedy has to offer. First up, digestive health. If you're dealing with constipation or irritable bowel syndrome, castor oil can be a game changer due to its strong laxative properties. Next, let's talk about skincare and hair care. Castor oil hydrates the skin, promotes wound healing, and even encourages hair growth. Do you have joint pain or muscle soreness? Castor oil is excellent for pain relief thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. From coughs to congestion, castor oil can even lend a helping hand to your respiratory system. The list goes on. Cyst and fibroid reduction, menstrual discomfort relief, and even treating warts and fungal infections. Castor oil's potential seems almost limitless. You can easily make a castor oil compress at home. You'll need an incontinence pad, some cloth, and of course castor oil. Give the cloth a good soak, wait for a bit, and your compress is ready to use. Apply it where needed, whether it's your abdomen, chest, or other areas. Consistency is essential for best results. The wide array of benefits makes castor oil a cherished natural remedy. However, always consult a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. If you're ready to tap into the incredible benefits of castor oil, click the link above for a verified purchase.